what you saw just now was last week's choreography, and we are going to continue that. We are going to continue the song. So today we'll learn some more steps from the same song. Okay. So now let's learn the next part. So the step goes like this. So we are standing this way. We are going to start from here. First we'll go towards the right side. So the leg movement is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. See again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the leg movement. Okay, the leg step. Now here the hand goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will do together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here we should not be standing straight. Okay, better if we just move our body a little bit, it will look much better. So if we do like this, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. But if we do this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks a bit better. This we'll be doing 3 times. Okay, so let's do once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now with the music, it sounds like this. Done 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, and then we just walk 2 steps. Okay, we just walk 2 steps, and then the next step comes. It goes like this. So we just walk this way. Okay, and then 1, 2. Okay, see, you're standing this way. You can even give a step front. So 1, 2. This looks better. 1, 2. The right leg goes back. 2 and then 3, 4, straight. Let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, stretch it. 3, 4. Right? Let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with this, let's do the hand. So the hand goes like this. 1, first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hands and legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after this, we are going to do a twist. 1, 2. This way. Again. 1, 2. Then 3, 4. We'll turn towards the left side. Okay. Let's do one more time. Oh dear Santa, fill it well. So we'll just turn towards the left side. 1, 2. And then you can just give your hand this way. Okay. Fill it well. And then give her a dolly. So actually it means doll. Okay. Doll. Toy. So give her a dolly. So 1, 2. Let's do it. Give her a dolly with laughs and cries. So with laughs and cries. Okay, let's try. Oh dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a dolly with laughs and cries. Laughs and cries, and then we are going to go front with a wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the hand will go like this. We have done this way, so it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Cover your face. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do till here from this step. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's do the part which we have learned today with the music. Okay, let's start. Let's do from the beginning, from where we have actually done, from the beginning step. Last week's one and this week's one together. Okay, so let's start. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. 1, 2, 3, then give a click. Front, back, hands up and down. Say again, front, so hands up, and then hands down. Legs will go back. Okay, up on the rooftop, click, click, click. Again, up on the rooftop, up on the rooftop, click, click, click. Then down came the chimney, with good saying. Okay, so down came the chimney with good Saint Nick. Then deck the halls with 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do till here with the music. This was your today's class, and I hope you have understood the steps well. Please learn the steps and practice the steps nicely. If you wish to know the song, what song it is, then you can search it in YouTube as well. The name of the song is Deck the Rooftop. Okay, Deck the Rooftop from the series Glee. Okay, so you will get it in YouTube also. So do practice it well. We may use this dance for the coming Christmas celebration, so please do practice. Okay, thank you so much.